Hello everyone! Today we'll begin with 10 consonant sounds and 7 vowel sounds in Korean. We'll practice each sound slowly and clearly, and then learn how they connect and blend together. You'll also learn 17 combined words so you can see how these sounds naturally appear when reading. And after learning these sounds, we'll listen and read aloud and write together. Before we begin, I will take about a minute to explain how this series works. It may feel a little long, but I hope you will stay with me because it will help you to understand how everything connects. This practice is designed to prepare you to read the first diary series I'm currently creating. So this video is a part of the A0 level, the very beginning stage. You don't need to be perfect at this level. If you can read and write even a little, you can already preparing yourself well. At each stage, you will have a chance to read and write again the same consonant and same vowel, so you can continue practicing and growing step by step. This is just one part of the A0 series. I will continue taking the time to carefully build this learning journey. If you enjoy this teaching style, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. I will keep working to bring you better videos, better lessons. Let's begin slowly together. First of all, let's begin with 10 consonant sounds together. 자음. I will make each letter sound, not name but sounds. 그, 끄, 느, 드, 르, 브, 뿌, 스, 즈. Now, let's practice 7 vowel sounds together. 아, 에, 야, 어, 에, 여, 이. Okay, great. Now, let's read our consonant sounds again together. 그, 끄, 느, 드, 르, 뿌, 스, 즈, 끄, 뿌. This is double consonant sounds. 그, 끄, 푸, 뿌. Okay, great. Let's make 7 vowel sounds again together. 모음, 아, 에, 야, 어, 에, 여, 이. Very good. Now we're going to combine these two sounds together. So you can see the red color is for consonant spot and blue color is for vowel spot. I used 2 different colors to write the letters, so you can easy to recognize which one is a consonant and which one is a vowel. So please make the consonant sounds first and then make the vowel sounds second. Let's practice together. 그, 아, 그아, 가. 그, 이, 귀, 기. 끄, 어, 끄, 꺼. 느, 아, 느아, 나. 드, 에, 드, 대, 레, 에, 레, 레, 르, 이, 리, 리, 브, 이, 비, 브, 에, 뿌에, 빼, 스, 서, 으아, 아. No sounds. The sounds we don't pronounced. So just make a sounds. Ah, e, 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 d, e, g, k, yo, kyo, ah. Sorry. Ha, ya, ya. Great job. Excellent. Now let's write together. So, first of all, let's write the consonant sounds, 차음 sounds. 차음. Let's write 차음 together. So, 그, 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 느, 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 뜨, no, sorry, 트, 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 르, 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 프, 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 뿌, 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 스, 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 응, 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 즈, 즈. Excellent. Now let's write the vowels letter together. 모음. 아, 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 에, 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 야, 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 어, 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 에, 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 여, 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 이, 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 Great job. Now, let's combine consonant and vowel together. So first word is 가, 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 기, 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 꺼, 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 나, 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 태, 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 레, 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 리, 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 비, 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 빼, 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 빼. Okay, almost finished. Good job. Let's keep going. It just reminded me when my mom was teaching me Korean. 서, 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 아, 아, 아. Oh no. 어, 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 에, 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 이, 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 지, 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 켜, 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 하, 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 야, 야, 야. Well done, great job. Okay, excellent everybody. Thank you for practicing with me and thank you for learning Korean with me. It means a lot to me. I want to call my mom now. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.